Hey, man, thank you for tuning in, man. We got another video here. I got a new camper, man. I had to fire the last one. He wanted $2 an hour instead of $1. All right, man, we got a 48 volt club car, DS. Got the V-Glide in it, controller, forward and reverse board. Like I always say in all my videos, first thing you want to do is check battery voltage. Alright, got your main positive here. And you can tell it's 48 volts because look at the batteries. You got 4 holes. Each hole is 2 volts, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, the easy way to tell what voltage other than the round charger plug here is 48 volts instead of the old 2 prongs. Alright, man, first thing you want to do, put your voltmeter on V with a straight line, that's DC. So you got the V with a straight line. Here it's V with a curvy line, that's AC, because the wave like alternating current. We'll put it on DC. Then you're going to put the red lead on your main positive, black lead on your main negative. And we got 47.7 volts. Another thing, what you could do, you could just take each battery and test each battery there. You got 7. Then you go to the next battery. Show the whole thing. Show it too. Then you go to the next battery here. You got 16. You see the voltmeter? Then you got 24. And just keep going over, and by the time you get over here, you should have 48 volts, 47, 46. All right. Then we're going to check micro switch on the forward and reverse board here. Alright, we'll put your voltmeter here, main lead on the main positive, black lead on the micro switch. You got 47 volts there. On the green and white wire, you got no voltage. When you put it in forward, it activates the micro switch, so then the green and white wire will show voltage now, which indicates that the micro switch is good. Alright. The second thing you want to test for is put the black lead on your main negative, and then the red lead, look at here, and the red lead on the red wire and the black and white wire on the solenoid. And then when you hit the gas, I want to do. And then when you hit the gas, the voltmeter should show. Let's turn the key on. So it shows battery voltage. So I can get on the red, small post, red wire. Hit the gas, you got battery voltage. When you do that, that indicates that the micro switch in the V-Glide is good, the key switch is good, and you got voltage to your solenoid. Alright, so right there you know that so far the micro switch here is good, the V-Glide is good, the key switch is good, and your solenoid is good, or the voltage going to solenoid. Alright, on your controller, come up here. Put us up on. Come up. See it? You got your red, green, and yellow. Your red is going to be your battery voltage hot, which feeds the logic board on the controller, which powers the controller up. So what I'm going to do is unplug it, put the black lead of the meter on my main negative, and now I'm going to put the red lead of the meter in here. Then when you hit the gas, I'm hitting the gas now. You see you got voltage on the red wire, all right? That means it's feeding the controller voltage. Plug it back in. Now the green and the yellow is your potentiometer reading, the M-core or the V-Glide. And what you want to do is turn your voltmeter to ohms. Put in each lead, and then you hit the gas, and this goes 5 to 0. Starts out at 5 ohms. All right, you got 5 ohms, and as you hit the gas, it goes down to 0. All right, and that lets you know that the potentiometer is doing its job. Now, some other controllers, they go 0 to 5 ohms. This is a 5 to 0 ohms. And how you can tell is if you look at the spade terminals, you got a 3/16 and you got a 1/4 inch. Here, the size is smaller. That lets you know that it's backwards. It's 5 to 0 ohms. All right. And then what we're going to do, voltmeter back on DC voltage. Then you got your M negative on your B negative on the controller, which is going to be the post with 2 black wires, which is right here, and then you put the red lead on the post that has a yellow and a green wire. And then when you hit the gas to engage the solenoid, you get a good connection. You got battery voltage. So that lets you know that the solenoid's putting out, the controller's taking the voltage. All right, now the way you test the output on the controller is the black lead of the red lead of the meter on the main positive, the black lead of the meter on the M negative. And when you hit the gas, the farther you go with the gas pedal, the more voltage it'll put out of the controller. Alright, and that lets you know that the controller's putting out voltage. Alright, man, stay tuned, man. I'll make some more videos, man.